Okay, so this time I'm going to talk about some of the common mistakes that your students will actually have during the parallel park. Alright, so I'm going to show you the first one. Mirror signal blind spot and the student gets out. And the first and most common mistake is this. The student is too far from the reference car. Can you confirm with me, Dave, whether this is over 1 meter in distance?
Definitely over
It
1
is
meter.
over 1 meter. Now I'm actually lining up the triangular window to the brake light as well, but if you notice, we're a lot further ahead, so it appears that we're actually in the correct starting position, but it's not. And I'm going to show you exactly what happens. I'm going to go one full turn to the right, scan around, scan around, scan around, scan around, and I'm going to show you right now, this here is where we're supposed to stop, but right now that mirror and the brake light is still another meter or so away from matching. So look at this. I'm going to back up, back up, back up, back up. Now I have this matched. What's going to happen here?
You're going to hit that curve.
Exactly. So do you see why this technique has one flaw? And that's when you're over 1 meter, it doesn't work.
Okay.
I'm going to go back and show you the second most common mistake. And that's when the car is slanted, whether it's to the right or left. Can you confirm whether the car is slanted or not? Yes.
Yes, slanted.
It is slanted. When it's slanted and I start to steer one full turn to the right, look at this. This is going to back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, and I should really be stopping further back, but my corner here is already lined up. Now, if I steer all the way to the left, how far am I from the curb?
Too far from the curb.
Too far. So that's part of the reason why we want the car parallel to start. That's why it's called parallel parking, not angled. All right. So this is only one direction. What if it's the other direction? So I'm slanted to the left. So I have the distance, but I'm slanted to the left like this. Same reference to start. Right. And I'm going to still steer one full turn to the right. And I should really be stopping here already. But I'm going to have to back up more to stop here. Again, what's going to happen?
Curb.
Exactly.
You're going to drive over the curb.
So this is a really common mistake. The third one, which you guys have already seen, and that is when the steering wheel is not straight. So even though that the reference is straight, the steering wheel is not straight, as in it's not locked.
Okay.
So I steer one full turn. Look at the difference. I steered just a quarter, 1/8 more, not even a quarter. Looking left to right, I should be stopping here, but I don't stop. I end up stopping again here. Same result, isn't it?
It is.
So it's so little minute movement of the steering wheel that makes such a big difference. So let's go outside for a moment and find out why we use the reference that we have. Let's go outside.